So, today's video, we're gonna make a switch panel. I already got the sheet metal cut out. I'm gonna set it over the top of this like that. I haven't decided, probably rivet this to the plastic. And then, I'm gonna bend this edge down to follow that. And then I'll show you the switches and we'll start drilling some holes. So yeah. Alright guys, so we got our aluminium panel that we're going to set over the top. So it goes like that. We got, so I got 5 of these switches. They light up. Got these for, I don't know, $10 on Amazon. Super nice, super cool. And then I got a master kill switch. So this is the setup I decided I'm going to go with. Just going to make sure and measure everything, make sure it's all straight, but yeah, for now this is what I'm going to do. I'm not sure what I'm going to put up here yet, but whenever I decide to change it, that's pretty simple. So yeah, let's start measuring. Alright guys, got all the holes drilled out. Super easy, simple. It's time to start putting some switches in and see what it looks like. Alright guys, let's start putting it together. There we go. It's all put together. Alright guys, here it is. Got it all mounted with, honestly, 6 self-toppers, but it looks really sweet. Yeah, so all that's left is I'm going to clean it up with some cleaner, some alcohol probably, and then I'm gonna wrap it. This thing is honestly turning out really cool. I'm really stoked on it. Yeah. You know, just gotta send it. right. Time to do the carbon. I used acetone to wipe this off. It removed the Sharpie with ease. Alright, so I finished up my switch panel, just building it, no wires yet. And man, I could not be more hyped on it. This thing turned out sick. It looks so cool. I can't believe I just made that. It's awesome. So hyped on it. So yeah. Thanks for watching today's video. This was just the making of the panel. Next video, hopefully we'll be starting to run wires to it and run power to it. And yeah, it's gonna start getting exciting. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Peace.